Okay, this is a journal, pretty much journal about yourself or your mood. I have made this template by just using this block like table and just add more and more and more and more. And if you just want to resize this thing like this and just look, okay, let's say I just write January J, February F, January, February, March, M, like this. And if I just want to resize these things, 1, 2, 3. This is the number of days that a month, pretty much a month have. If I just want to resize it, I'll just click this thing. And boom, it's pretty much done. To add some colors, just add like this type of colors. So add a row, okay, and just add a. And if you just want to add some of the emojis like this, I just want to add some emojis here like happy, sad, sleepy, like this, and it will all say me like this. Okay, today is January, September 17, and I'm pretty much neutral over here. So neutral. I'm neutral. So okay, this is the emo, or this is the thing that I just want to express to my day. And September 16 was pretty much kind of neutral. So neutral, yeah. I was pretty much happy in this September 15. So that is my overall thing for this simplicity. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Do all those things that pretty much YouTubers try to say. So yeah, that's for this video, and I'll catch you guys pretty soon. Until that time, have a good day, have a safe day. Peace out.